Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to inject custom code into your Squarespace 7.0. A quick heads up before we start, the text you have there mentioning a website management bar is actually for the ancient Squarespace 5. The correct process for version 7.0 is completely different, so let's get right to it. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard. From your main home menu, click on Settings, then scroll down and click on Advanced, and finally select Code Injection. Keep in mind that code injection is a premium feature, so you do need to be on at least a business plan to actually see this menu option. Next, you'll see several different text boxes where you can paste your HTML or custom scripts. The header box will inject your code into the head tag across your entire website, while the footer box will load it right before the closing body tag. Just paste your snippet into the correct field and click Save in the top left corner. If you only want to inject code on one specific page instead of the whole site, the process is slightly different. Go to your Pages panel, click the deer icon next to the specific page you want to modify to open its settings, and click on the Advanced tab. You can paste your code right there in the page header code injection box and hit Save. And that is it. Your custom code is officially live. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.